Let me take you back to Africa. I wanna show you, Mama Africa. You see this dance, where we they do, it's tribal dance, it's for me and you. Where you from? I'm from Ghana. Teach me how to Zonto. Where you from? I'm from Gambia. Teach me how to Ndaga. Where you from? I'm from Niger. Teach me how to Bakuruma.